heart-centered business operator and ready to manifest your biggest business goals ever, then this is for you. Are you driven by compassion, trust, intuition, and a desire to level up your business? Well, if you're ready to align your heartfelt values with your meaningful work, that brings the next level of abundance and success to you faster, deeper, and with integrity, then my community welcomes you. Let's build your business and excel your legacy even more with more love and purpose. Drop a fire emoji in the comments to connect with us. This is a heart-centered community driven by its members, and we welcome you with open arms. Again, drop the fire emoji in the comments and I'll be sure to send you the details.